Hey guys, today we're gonna surprise my grandpa with his dream pet. So basically, his dream pet is a cockatiel. It's a bird. It's just gonna be right here. My grandpa's dream pet is a cockatiel. I saved up my money and I'm gonna pay half price. My dad's gonna pay half price, and we're gonna surprise my grandpa with it. He's been wanting it. We said let's get it next year, but he doesn't know that we actually got it for him. So let's surprise him. We're going to get our parrot right now. We're on our way, and we're really excited. Plan was to get this bird next year, but we're gonna get it this year. We told our grandpa we're getting it next year because we wanted to surprise him. It's right here. I love it. It's so beautiful, and we got a big cage with it. It's bigger than Zaki. It's right here. It's right here. And we're gonna surprise my grandpa with it. We're almost home. Yeah, my grandpa, you can see him from the window.
He is right over there. So I'm gonna go inside and surprise him.
I'm gonna take it out.
He's gonna take it out, and then I'm gonna go inside, run inside. I have to run really fast.
नहीं लेके आए, बजी लेके आए छोटी सी। हाँ दिखाना ना, एक सेकंड आ जाओ। छोटी सी है लेकिन अच्छी वाली नहीं। अच्छा बस देखो, ये ट्रेन है, हाथ में आता है, उड़ के हमारे हाथ में।